Begin the video by introducing the topic of interesting facts about food. Explain that food is not only a source of energy and nutrition for our bodies, but also a subject of fascinating information, cultural diversity, and historical significance. The origin of popular dishes. Discuss the origins of some popular dishes from around the world, such as pizza from Italy, sushi from Japan, and tacos from Mexico. Explain how these dishes have evolved over time and become popular worldwide, incorporating different ingredients and flavors to suit various tastes and preferences. The impact of food on human history. Explain the significant role that food has played in human history, from the domestication of plants and animals to the development of agriculture and the establishment of trade routes. Discuss how the availability and scarcity of food have influenced human migration, conflicts, and cultural exchanges throughout history. Food preservation techniques. Discuss various traditional food preservation techniques that have been used to extend the shelf life of food, such as drying, salting, pickling, and fermenting. Explain how these methods work and their historical significance, particularly in times when refrigeration was not available. The nutritional content of food. Explain the importance of understanding the nutritional content of the food we eat, including the breakdown of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Discuss how different foods can provide varying levels of nutrients and the importance of consuming a balanced diet for overall health and well-being. Food-related misconceptions and myths. Debunk common food-related misconceptions and myths, such as the belief that microwaving food destroys its nutrients, that gluten is unhealthy for everyone, or that detox diets are necessary for optimal health. Explain the scientific evidence that disproves these myths and emphasize the importance of relying on accurate information when making food choices. The impact of food on the environment. Discuss the environmental impact of food production, including issues such as deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, water usage, and pollution. Highlight the importance of sustainable farming practices and the benefits of choosing locally sourced, seasonal, and organic foods when possible. Food allergies and intolerances. Explain the difference between food allergies and intolerances, and discuss some common examples, such as lactose intolerance and peanut allergies. Describe the symptoms associated with these conditions and the importance of proper diagnosis and management to avoid potentially serious health complications. The psychology of food cravings. Discuss the psychological aspects of food cravings and the factors that can contribute to them, such as stress, hormonal fluctuations, and sensory cues. Explain how understanding the underlying causes of cravings can help individuals manage them more effectively and make healthier food choices. The world's most expensive foods. Introduce some of the world's most expensive foods, such as saffron, truffles, and caviar. Explain the reasons behind their high price tags, including factors such as rarity, labor-intensive production processes, and the demand for luxury goods. Food as a cultural expression. Discuss the role of food as a form of cultural expression and how it reflects the history, traditions, and values of different societies. Give examples of unique food customs and rituals from various cultures, such as the Japanese tea ceremony or the Italian tradition of la passeggiata, an evening stroll followed by a leisurely meal with family and friends. The impact of food on our mood. Explain the connection between food and our mood, discussing how certain nutrients and chemicals in food can affect our brain chemistry and emotions. For example, the amino acid tryptophan found in foods like turkey and bananas can lead to increased production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of well-being and happiness. Food trends and fads. Discuss various food trends and fads that have come and gone over the years, such as low-fat diets, superfoods, and meal replacement shakes. Explain how these trends often gain popularity due to clever marketing and celebrity endorsements, but may not necessarily be backed by scientific evidence or provide long-term health benefits. Food waste and its global impact. Highlight the issue of food waste and its impact on the environment, economy, and global food security. Discuss the staggering amount of food that is wasted each year and offer practical tips for reducing food waste at home, such as meal planning, proper storage techniques, and repurposing leftovers. The future of food. Discuss emerging trends and innovations in the world of food, such as plant-based meat alternatives, lab-grown meat, and vertical farming. Explain how these developments have the potential to address some of the environmental, ethical, and health concerns associated with traditional food production methods. Wrap up the video by summarizing the main points discussed and emphasizing the diverse and fascinating world of food. Encourage viewers to continue exploring the topic, learning about the impact of their food choices on their health and the environment, and appreciating the cultural and historical significance of the foods they enjoy.